Well, finally! With the Xiaomi Mi 11, the first flagship using Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 888 has arrived in our office. Xiaomi's latest flagship not only comes with a Snapdragon 888, it also arrived quite late in Europe with a delay of almost 3 months. The phone was already launched in China last December and you can finally buy the Mi 11 here from March 16th on. That's quite annoying because there's hardly any changes compared to the Chinese version. But to keep you interested, I will tell you the big difference later in the video and summarize all the specs again briefly. Thanks to the brand new SoC, the Mi 11 is of course 5G ready and, because of its clever 8-core architecture, delivers a good mix of performance and energy efficiency. The 6.81-inch AMOLED display is capable of showing 120 frames per second and delivers the rapid computing power without any delay right into your retinas. The display is also razor sharp thanks to the WQHD+ resolution. An HDR10+ certification also belongs in every current flagship. Speaking of resolution that no one actually needs, the triple camera on the back delivers up to 108 megapixels. That should provide better pictures in 12 megapixel thanks to non-pixel binning. Alternatively, you might also use the 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera or the 5 megapixel macro camera on the back. Selfies can be recorded with up to 20 megapixels. You might have already noticed, unfortunately a telephoto lens is missing, so we expect this feature to be included in the Mi 11 Pro. Since our video editor Ezekiel unpacks the phone quite quickly all of a sudden, you will have to find more about the 4600 mAh battery and all the other details in our full-length review. Oh, I almost forgot, the only difference compared to the Chinese version is that Xiaomi always includes a charger for 55-watt quick charging. So you can buy the charger including the Mi 11, quick joke, for about 750 to 800 pounds. Interested? Then, as I already mentioned, you can find the full review on nextpit.com.